Hey everyone, this is Abigail Smith, and this is my quick presentation on my thoughts and opinions with blended learning. So first, my definition of blended learning is the combination of in-person learning and self-guided learning with the use of technology. So blended learning helps students receive information in multiple ways, which is a great way to reinforce important topics. I work with middle school students, and I spend a lot of my time repeating the same information in different ways so that every type of learner has the opportunity to really get the chance to remember everything that we're going over in class that day. And blended learning provides this opportunity as well. If you're hearing a teacher talk about it, or maybe you're taking notes and then you're also watching a video or completing an online activity, just the more ways you can think about a specific topic, the better. So my experience with blended learning, although I just started my second year teaching, I used blended learning as my model last year, and I will continue to do so this year. Especially last year with COVID happening and my school was doing hybrid schedules in the beginning of the year, blended learning was great because kids would only come to school 2 or 3 times a week, depending on the week. And when they were at home, they were still expected to be completing work or attending Zoom meetings and things like that. So it was really important and helpful to be able to use Canvas, was our learning management system. And it was great. I could provide resources and videos and things like that for kids who were not physically in my classroom with me on that day, but they could still keep up with the kids who were. My school has a 1-to-1 Chromebook ratio, which is very helpful for blended learning, and there are many websites such as No Red Ink and StudySync, which are both programs that my school pays for. Those are great because they adjust their questions for students as they go. No Red Ink is a grammar and writing program. So if students are going through the program and they keep getting a specific question wrong, No Red Ink recognizes that they may need to bring the level down, but they also know that that student will need more practice with that topic, and it's very easy for the teacher to go in and see all of those results too. Some additional thoughts, opinions, and ideas. I believe that blended learning really needs to be a true fair mix of technology and teacher instruction. Teachers are still needed. This is not to say that kids can just go online and find all the information and then they'll be fine. There are pros and cons to it. I believe it works best when content is introduced in person and then students have the opportunity to practice outside of the classroom.